Hey YouTubies, welcome to King Mushromo Cooking. I'm your host, King Mushromo. Today we're going to make stir fry. This is a classic dish. This is going to be a very fast, very simple, easy dish. The ingredients and tools you'll need are very simple. A cutting board, any kind of board that can withstand cutting. Take the kids out of the room because we will be using knives. Like, get your best, sharpest knife or whatever can cut vegetables. Honestly, you actually don't need that sharp of a knife. You could probably cut with a fork if you had enough force. We'll be cooking in a pan. Any kind of pan works. I think if you're trying to go authentic, you might want a wok. So keep that in mind. I'm just using that and stir pusher. As far as ingredients, today we're gonna make this stir fry out of carrots. Some people pronounce carrots. I don't know, wherever you're from. Carrots, and broccoli. These are all store bought. I did not buy them. I did buy them. I didn't grow them. I don't have a garden, and there's too much lead in the backyard to be worth growing. And baby corn nuggets. Now these, hopefully you can find these. If not, you can still make the stir fry without them. It's just going to be lacking the corn nuggets. Seasonings, we're going to be using soy sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce. If you remember albino black sheep, maybe if you remember that, Kikkoman, yeah, show you. Black pepper, salt, and little secret ingredient I have here. This is my pound bag of MSG, and yep, some people are afraid of MSG, so if you are, you don't have to use it. I don't see what's wrong with it. Monosodium glutamate, MSG. It's science. You could do this with a knife, but I like to use this peeler. Just peel those carrots. You're just gliding that peeler up and down, removing the dead skin of the carrot. This is the most difficult part of the entire recipe. So it's all uphill from here, or downhill. It's all downhill from here, folks. Now comes the fun part. We need to remove the head and tail of each carrot and chop them up finely. So it's pretty easy, quick, painless. The carrot feels nothing. That one looks a little funny. Dispose of the pieces. We don't want to mix them in with the good ones. Now we can begin. It's a little thick to use my normal technique. You can also do a cutting, a sawing motion. That might work better for you. Now they can be as thin or as thick as you want. You could go for like an extra thick carrot if you wanted. I'm not gonna complain. This might be too much carrot. We can get a container. Well, we're already this far in, we might as well go all the way. I'm a big fan of carrots. I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of carrots. Okay, hardest part's over. Well, let's begin the stir fry. Got ourselves a nice clean pan. Let's drop some baby corn nuggets in. I've already pre-drained these. Well, most of it. They have a strong smell to them. And it's as simple as this. You really just put in vegetables. Put in a desired amount of vegetables. And we'll save the recipes for later. I guess we got a lot of carrots. You know what? We're just going to go with all the carrots. So see what happens. Turn your heat on. I think maybe you put oil in. But you know what? We're not. I forgot that step. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I don't remember. Let's put some soy sauce. Get that soy sauce in there. That'll give it something to sit in. And you may like less or more. It's up to you. So I've got my stove on medium. And we're just gonna start to stir fry it. Maybe it does need oil. I mean, the name's got fry, stir fry. Let's hope the oils of the corn will help. At this point, we can start to season. So I've got some black pepper. Don't know how much is coming out. It's hard to see. Oh, I got a lot on that one. Secret ingredient, MSG. Just sprinkle this on. This stuff will make everything better. And a little bit of salt to taste, as they say. Another secret is you can add some like orange juice or Sunny Delight, something acidic to give it a little zing. Okay, we'll go with that. I'm gonna let these heat up a bit. So the idea behind stir fry is the name is the instructions. When all comes down to it is really you're throwing stuff in a pan or a wok and stirring it and frying it. I wish more cooking was that straightforward. The like name just has it all. Take a peek. I can hear it now. Hear the veggies singing. I suppose this is a. Does this count as a vegan or a vegetarian meal? You know, I don't see any meat in here. I don't know where they get these baby carrots from, but I mean baby yellow things. Baby corn. Is it just the baby form of corn? I honestly don't know. So I hope you're all having a nice day. It's Friday night, 10 p.m. I figured it was dinner time. So this is what we're doing. Pushing veggies around. I want that green to pop. I want that green and that orange to pop. Show me the colors. Now, I like to cook till like the carrots are a bit mushy, like where you can kind of chop them in half with your fork. thing. But so obviously this has got a bit more to go. And I'm thinking about how to get to the Sunny Delight because the camera's in the way. We may need to do a little a movement here. Nice view. Let's throw some Sunny D. I actually really like the smell of Sunny Delight mixed with soy sauce. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, so I was thinking today, have you ever experienced being on the phone and you're put on hold and you get they put you on hold and music plays? And have you ever experienced, like, I think most of the time the music they play on hold is not good or just kind of forgettable. But one time, I don't even remember who I was calling, but I was really mesmerized by the hold music. And I just, I wish I had remembered to ask them, like, what was that song? And I'm sure the employee wouldn't know. But if I could figure out, it's one of my life goals to figure out what that song was, and I can't even replicate it or think of it. If I heard it, I would know it. And I was like, they probably had me wait like 15 minutes, and it went by so fast because I was enjoying the music so much. I was like, oh, I don't want to talk to a person. You know what? There should be a number you call and you just listen to music. Or I suppose you could just turn music on in your house, but I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, have you ever experienced that? Here we are stir frying. Stir frying with no oil. There's enough juices. The juices leaking from the veggies. And the welcome back, YouTube. The battery died. I was I don't know, rambling about things, and next thing I know, oh, there goes a carrot. Next thing I know, the battery died. Garbage. You know, you can just kind of decide when you're done. It's not like eating raw plants is gonna kill you. Well, depending on the plant. It's not like eating carrots. You know what I mean. I think you got it. You're smart. Stir fry is very, like, you can't mess it up. Well, I mean, you might be able to, but generally speaking, you shouldn't be messing up stir fry. It's pretty simple. It's all in the name. It's all in the name. Yeah, I feel like I put way too many carrots. That's too much. But that's okay for me. This is okay for me because I probably like carrots the best. I don't know, stir fry, I think the carrots and the broccoli, you know, actually all these are going to be good. But I generally I'm a big carrot fan. I would think my eyesight would be better considering I like carrots so much, but that's not the case. I guess life doesn't work that way. Yeah, I mean, I just kind of enjoy pushing this stuff around. It's a really enjoyable activity. I mean, cooking's fun. I don't always get to cook. Be at work and stuff, and you're like, oh, I wish I could be cooking. But I also wouldn't want to cook to work. Like, I wouldn't want to work in a stressful restaurant. I've done that, and it like takes the fun out of cooking. So yeah, I mean, the dish is that's pretty much all there is to it. I guess I've just been rambling your ear off for however long. I mean, you could have turned it off sooner. You got the idea. If you stuck around this long though, thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate the time. And leave me a comment if you've have any interesting ideas for something for me to try to cook. Or you want to know how to cook. I'll figure it out. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want more. And I think we're done here.